saved our Jeep. We picked up a nail. Look at that, guys. Just as a, I don't know if you guys heard that. Take a look at that. Well, that could have cost us a brand new tire. Hey everyone, my name is Scott. Today we're showing you guys VEVOR's magnetic sweeper. We're gonna unbox it and then test it out. All right guys, so this is what came. We got the two wheels, the pole, a brush, and our manual and the unit itself. So we're gonna take these off, and I believe this would slide the wheels on, then put the bolt back on. Same for both sides. We're gonna go ahead and set this up. Alright guys, so you place the wheels on. Once you have the wheels on, you'll then put the handlebar through here. So on the back here, you're going to take off this little washer, and then you're going to put the bar through it like this. There's going to be a hole. Slide this top bolt down through your handle, and then put the washer back on and tighten it. You're going to loosen this up to extend your hole. So this makes it longer, so depending on your height. This is the quick release for the magnet, so it's going to pick up metal stuff from the bottom. If you want the metal stuff to drop from this unit, you just pull this up, and then all the metal items will fall to the ground. As a quick test, here's our metal knife. We're going to go ahead, slide this over here. So if we're going along, as you can see, it picked up the metal knife. So it's going to pick up a lot more. Let's go ahead and test it out in our yard and make sure we got no screws or nails, and then also our driveway. All right, now we'll do it in our unfinished garage. Again, a level garage and driveway is going to be, I'm going to say it's going to probably be key to this. I don't know if you can actually lift it. I wish it would have been a little higher above the ground, but if it was, then it probably wouldn't pick anything up. Oh, so right there, we got a nail. We just saved our Jeep. We picked up a nail. Look at that, guys. Just as a, I don't know if you guys heard that. Take a look at that. Well, that could have cost us a brand new tire. See what I'm talking about, guys? This thing actually does work. We just got to get our garage and driveway finished, so it's not so bad in here. When we purchased the property, this is how the garage was. It wasn't, actually it was worse. There's shady like carpet from the 70s underneath all this. Yeah, so it works, guys. As I was using it, guys, we picked up another nail. You can see all like the little metal fibers that it's picking up too. But yep, we got another nail. Guys, I'm telling you, don't sleep on this. I've picked up 3 nails, 4 screws, some bolts, some washers, some miscellaneous metal pieces. I'm telling you guys, this thing is excellent. It doesn't have much clearance, but it works good. Oh, did we get something? Oh yeah, we did. A broken screw. As I said, this thing is great.